Meta Smart Glasses date and time wrong on photos. Fix. Step 1. Check phone's date and time settings. Your Meta Smart Glasses sync their date and time from your connected smartphone. First, ensure your phone's date and time are correct and set to automatic or the network provided time. If your phone's time is wrong, the glasses will also record incorrect timestamps. Step 2. Ensure glasses are connected to phone. For the glasses to sync time, they need to be actively connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Open the MetaView app and confirm that your glasses show as connected. If not, try reconnecting them or restarting Bluetooth on your phone. Step 3. For sync time, if available in app. Some devices offer a way to manually force a time sync within their companion app. Check the MetaView app settings for your glasses to see if there's an option like sync time or update device time. Tap this option if available. Step 4. Restart your glasses and phone. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches that prevent proper time synchronization. Power off your Meta Smart glasses completely, then turn them back on. Do the same for your smartphone. Once both are restarted, ensure they reconnect via Bluetooth. Step 5. Reinstall MetaView app or factory reset glasses. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the MetaView app on your phone to ensure you have the latest version and a fresh installation. As a last resort, if the time is still incorrect, you may need to perform a factory reset on your Meta Smart glasses. Be aware that this will erase all data and settings on your glasses.